Welcome to the Adventure Bay Bird Spotting Contest.
I'm going to stealthily sneak up on amazing avians, then click my camera.
Ready, set, spot!
A blue-bellied roller! Ah, a nest. A photo of the fledglings would certainly be a find. Ah, I have a much better idea of how to win this contest. Whoa! I'd better call the Paw Patrol. I'm perched up here, Paw Patrol.
We'll get you down and back to your bird spotting contest in no time.
Ladder! OK, Captain Turbot, climb down.
My toes can't touch the top.
I'll help you. I'm good. Mama Bird's good too.
Ah, the nest!
We'll take care of it, Captain. Come on down. Rocky, we'll need you to find something that can be a new nest for the birds. Don't lose it, reuse it.
It's okay, little birdies. I have a nice, comfy new nest for you.
Great work, Rocky. Now we just need to move the nest to a safer spot. There's one.
Hang on, Rocky.
There you go, little birdies. Hope you like your new home.
I believe that's blue-bellied roller for thank you.
Check out full episodes of Paw Patrol on Nickelodeon.